teach you how I made this DC generator. So this is a DC generator. DC generator how I made this. First I take a wood which is 25 centimeter long and 15 centimeter wide, and then attach 1 centimeter wide with 15 centimeter long, two pieces, and I also attach holders, one attached motor. This is a 5-volt motor, and then we attach this pulley with 2 screws and 4 screws, and then I rubber band to this pulley to there, and there I attach one small screw with a plastic tap, and then we can connect two wires to for motors, and which is connected these LEDs. So this DC generator will turn on this only LEDs. This generator output is 6 volts, somewhere 50 milliamps. So that's why it's not an heavy load. So this LED is polarized. So if you spin on way round, LED is not turned on or not fused, because this is good LED which is have on way diode, reverse polarity diode. Some reason if you move the wrong way around, it's not burnt. If you move right way around, it can turn on. It can turn on only LED. Not because output current is 50 milliamps, which is a very low current. And you can see when I stand like slow speed, although this time it is no DR motor, but just it creates a voltage 6 volt, but although this output current is very low current. This is small little project, and this video is next to you in pause.